Buying a portable blender like it's a tiny countertop blender leaves you shaking a loud bottle over half-frozen fruit. Then the smoothie gets smaller, cleanup gets fussier, and the battery idea feels cute but annoying. So I'm counting down to the one I'd actually buy. Pick by portion size, daily ingredients, cleaning tolerance, and whether you'll carry the whole blender after blending. Let's move. Number 4. Magic Bullet Portable Blender. If your blender lives in a drawer, this is the budget pick I'd consider first. It's the lightest model here at 1.7 pounds, so carrying it feels closer to packing a bottle than a small appliance. But that tiny body is the point and the problem, because its jar capacity score is only 1.4. That means it's better for quick, simple single servings than bigger smoothies for a household. I also wouldn't buy it for frozen heavy routines, because difficult blends may need stopping and scraping. Skip it if you want the least hands-on process, or if one small drink won't cover breakfast. Number 3. Ninja Blast Max BC251. Do frozen fruit and ice show up more than leafy greens? Then the Ninja is the mid-range pick I'd look at, because it's built around that colder workflow. Its cleaning score is 8.0, the best here, so it's the one I'd rather rinse after a rush gym drink. It also gives you 3 blending programs, which is rare in this portable lane. The trade-off is texture and patience. Fibrous full-capacity blends can turn grainier, and you may need cycles with shaking or scraping. Skip it if you want a fast, mostly hands-off smoothie before work, or if battery headroom matters more than easier jar cleanup. Number 2. nutribullet Flip. This is the commuter pick for people who want to blend, flip, and drink from one compact setup. At 2.1 pounds, it stays bag-friendly, and its single-serving smoothie score is 8.0. You still get much of the smoothie performance without carrying the bulkier choice. The flip design is the appeal: blend, turn it over, and sip from the base. That makes it best for gym bags and quick commutes. The trade-off is cleaning, because the blades are fixed and the base cannot be immersed. Skip it if blade cleanup matters most, or if you expect long, demanding blend cycles. Number 1. GO Cordless. This is the one I'd buy if the blender actually has to do blender work, not just stir powder. The big reason is smoother single-serve performance with the lowest noise number here, 79.3 decibels at max speed. That matters if you're blending in an apartment kitchen, an office corner, or a shared morning routine. But the beast earns its name in your bag, because it's 3.0 pounds and heavier than the others here. Cleanup can also be fussier if larger hands fight the smaller opening. Skip it if you want the easiest carry, a bigger jar, or no shaking during tougher blends. For performance-first portable blending, this is my pick. Here's the split. Magic Bullet is the tiny budget drawer blender. Ninja is the cleanup and frozen ingredient play. nutribullet is the drink from the base commuter pick. Beast is the performance pick, but you accept weight and a tighter cleaning opening. Before you buy, check jar style, blade access, replacement lids, and whether your bag can handle the motor base. Prices and accessories change, so check before you buy. If you blend occasionally, Magic Bullet makes sense. If frozen drinks and cleanup matter, go Ninja. If commuting drives the choice, pick nutribullet. If you want the strongest portable fit here, I'd buy Beast. Links are in the description. That's the brief. Fit, trade-offs, and skip if, before you buy. Subscribe for the next buying guide.